How to connect Printful with WooCommerce. Connecting your WooCommerce store with Printful is an excellent way to start a print-on-demand (POD) business. WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress, allows you to build a fully customizable online store, and when integrated with Printful, it automates the process of printing, production, and shipping, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to connecting Printful with WooCommerce. 1. Install WooCommerce on your WordPress site. If you don't have a WordPress site yet, begin by setting up a website through WordPress.org. Once your site is live, go to the dashboard of your WordPress site. Navigate to Plugins, add New, and search for WooCommerce. Click Install, and then Activate to enable WooCommerce on your site. Follow the WooCommerce setup process, including selecting your currency, payment methods, and shipping options. 2. Sign up for a Printful account. Visit Printful and create a free account by entering your name, email, and password. Once registered, you'll be able to access the Printful dashboard, where you can start managing your designs, products, and orders. 3. Install the Printful integration for WooCommerce. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, add New, and search for Printful. Install the Printful plugin. Find the plugin called Printful Integration for WooCommerce and click Install Now. Activate. Once the plugin is installed, click Activate to enable the Printful plugin on your WooCommerce store. 4. Connect Printful to WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce settings. After activating the plugin, navigate to the WooCommerce menu in your WordPress dashboard and select Printful. Click Connect. You'll see a button to connect your WooCommerce store to Printful. Click on it to begin the connection process. Log in to Printful. Enter your Printful credentials to log in and link your Printful account to your WooCommerce store. Authorize access. Grant Printful access to your WooCommerce store so it can sync products, orders, and customer details. 5. Create products and sync with WooCommerce. Once Printful and WooCommerce are connected, you can start creating products and syncing them with WooCommerce. Create new products in Printful. In Printful, go to Product Templates and choose the product type you want to sell, such as t-shirts, mugs, or hats. Upload your designs. Use Printful's design tool to upload and customize your design on the product, adjusting size and placement as needed. Sync products to WooCommerce. Once your product is ready, click Add to Store to sync it with your WooCommerce store. Your product will now appear in your WooCommerce product catalog, ready to sell. 6. Set product pricing and shipping. Set your pricing. You can set the retail price by factoring in the base cost from Printful, plus your desired profit margin. Make sure your prices are competitive. Set up shipping. Printful provides automatic shipping options that you can sync with WooCommerce. Configure your shipping options to ensure smooth order fulfillment and delivery. 7. Automate order management. Once a customer places an order on your WooCommerce store, Printful automatically processes the order, handling the production, printing, and shipping directly to your customer. You won't need to manage inventory or logistics yourself. Tips for marketing your WooCommerce store. Optimize SEO. Use relevant keywords in product titles and descriptions to improve search engine rankings and visibility. Social media marketing. Promote your products through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Paid advertising. Consider using Google Ads or Facebook ads to drive more traffic to your WooCommerce store and increase sales. Provide great customer service. Respond to customer inquiries quickly and efficiently to ensure positive feedback and reviews. Conclusion. Connecting Printful with WooCommerce is a straightforward process that enables you to create and sell custom designed products without having to manage inventory or shipping. Once connected, Printful automates the fulfillment process, allowing you to focus on designing products and growing your business. With the right strategy, you can scale your print-on-demand business efficiently and successfully.